Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is C Chamba Jacob. Alright, so we've got this question. So if you didn't watch question 11a, do so. The video is already in for question 11a. Our main focus is on question 11b. So the first question here, they want us to find the coordinates of a right here. So in order for us to find the coordinates of a, we just get the given functions, okay, what we've just been given here. So we've got this curve which is being represented by this, and also a straight line here represented by this. So you just copy them. You say y, y is equal to x squared plus 2, and y is equal to 4x minus 2. So now you equate them. So you can say x squared plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 2. So equating these two, we are trying to find the intersection, and the intersection will be the coordinates of point A. So just get this is equal to this. So this is what you do. So once you do this, you can solve. So when you solve, here you group the like terms. Actually here it was supposed to be minus, it will be like this: x squared minus 4x plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So here you work out things, you get something like this. This is a quadratic equation. So now you solve the quadratic equation. So when you solve the quadratic equations, you've come and find the value of x be equal to 2. So x will be equal to 2. So meaning we have found x, comma, we need to find the y. So for us to find the y coordinate here, we'll get x is equal to 2, plug it in one of these equations or functions. So we'll say y is equal to 2 squared plus 2. Okay, so I'm putting x here. When I solve, I'll get a 4 here plus a 2, which is equal to 6. So I found my 6. So the coordinates at point A is 2, 6. This is how you find the coordinates. So you can say 2, 6. That's what we have. And they are right here at A. Now to find the area, for us to find the area, we need to know the points here. And this is this. Okay. Here it's 1 over 2, 0. Here it's 0, 0. Right here it's 0, 2. And here we just found 2, 6 here at point A. So since we have these coordinates, and people may be wondering how I found this, you just find the x-intercept here, this line, at which point is it crossing the x-axis, this line here. So you just let y is equal to 0 on this function, y is equal to 0, and then solve for x. You find that your x will be 1 over 2. Even here, you find a y-intercept, meaning you're putting a 0 at x here. When you put a 0, you solve, your y will be equal to 2. So once you find that, you can now do this. You cut here. If you're able to see, we have two regions, this and this. Okay? So to find the area, we need to take advantages of these two regions. So you do this integral, okay, of what? x squared plus 2 dx. The limits will be from 0 to 1 over 2. So how did I pick this? You may be wondering. You start moving like this, okay, along the y-axis. You are first meeting y is equal to 0. Next, you meet y is equal to x squared plus 2. So get this minus this. So x squared plus 2 minus 0. It will just be this. So write the function which is, or the equation which is up here. And then for the limits, the lower limit, you see from here along the x-axis, from here it's 0 to here it is 1 over, or this point here is 1 over 2. So that's it. Then you say plus the integral of x squared plus 2 minus 4x minus 2 dx. The limits, lower limit will be 1 over 2, upper limit will be a 2. So even this one, how did I get them? You start moving, because remember I have two regions. For the first one here, it was this. For the second one, it will be this one. So you're meeting the line as you are crossing this, moving along the y-axis. You are meeting the y is equal to 4x minus 2. And then upper limit is y is equal to x squared plus 2. I mean upper function. So or upper equation or upper line. So now you get this line, okay, minus the line that is below, because you are moving like this. So this line minus this one. So this line is the one which is here, minus this one is the one which is right here. And then for the limits, you get them along the x-axis. So we have x is equal to 1 over 2. And then x here, where they are meeting right here, it's 2. So x is equal to 2. Now you can integrate. So when you integrate here, you get something like this. You get, actually, before you integrate, you can clean up. You just clean up. So you have something like this. This will be like this, plus 4 dx. This is coming from here. You clean up. When you distribute, this will be negative 4x, and this negative and negative will be positive. So 2 plus 2, it will be 4. So this is how it will look. Thereafter, you can integrate. You have this here, 2x. The limits, upper limit is like this, lower limit is like this. Plus, here also you have something like this. That is when you integrate. So now it's the issue of plugging in you plug in the limits. So here it will be like this. So for the first one, we're done here, because if we put a 0 here, it will just be 0, and here it will be 0. Here, put a 2, minus 2 there, 2 power 2. Okay, this is 2 power 2. Here we put actually here it's supposed to be x, 4x. We put a 2 right here. So this is what we have. And then minus, we also put this right here, over 3 minus 2, 1 over 2 squared plus 4 1 over 2. So we have this. Now we can clean up. Here we have 1 over 8 over 3 plus 1. Here we have 8 over 3, yes, plus minus here it's 4, okay, it's 8. 4, it's 4 times 2, it's 8, plus here it will be 8, this one. Okay, we come to this one, it will be also like this, over 3 right here. Here it will be 1 over 2, 1 over 2 right here, because this is 1, this is 4. When you divide 2 into 4, it's 2, so you'll end up with this. Here, this is the last part, we've got plus 2. So this is what we have right here. So here, when we work out things, we get 1 over 24 plus 1. That is it right here. Plus here, this and this will cancel, remain with 8 over 3. Minus here, this here, this minus. Here we have this minus 1 over 2 plus a 2 here, right here. Or if you want, you can just say, we can work out this. We can say it's 2, it's a 3 over 2, if I'm not mistaken, 3 over 2. 4, yeah, 3 over 2. We have a 3 over 2. Because if we add negative 1 over 2 plus 2, it will be 3 over 2. So we clean it up. We have 25 over 24 plus 8 over 3 minus, we work out what is here. We have 24, okay, 1 minus, let me get my calculator to get helped a little bit. Let me get my calculator to just get helped a little bit. Okay, so here we say 2 into 24, it's 12 times 3 is 36. Hopefully this is what you are getting. So 25 over 24 plus 8 over 3, here to be plus, this is 24 over 35. Yeah, because if we say this minus this, it will be 35, negative 35, negative 35. So negative and negative will give us a positive. So over 24, here it will be 25 plus 3 into 24. 3 into 24, it's 8 times 8, it's 64 plus 35. And we work out what is on top there. 64 plus 25 plus 35. It is giving us 123 over 24. So this is our solution. So we can say square units. This is a solution. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Bye-bye.